Have you ever said this to yourself? I'll be happy when I get a better job. I'll be happy when I buy a new car. I'll be happy when I earn more money. I'll be happy when life becomes easier. But let me ask you something. What if that day never comes? And what if the happiness is not waiting for you in the future? What if the happiness is sitting beside you right now? And you're too busy in chasing something else to notice it. Today, I want to share a simple truth that changed my life. A truth that can change yours too. Happiness is not a destination. Happiness is state of mind. And once you understand this, you may never look at the life same way again. Let me explain you this in 5 parts. Part 1. The biggest lie we believe. Many of us spend our lives chasing happiness. We think happiness is hidden inside a bigger house, a new phone, a car, a promotion, more followers, more money, and yes, these things can bring excitement. But excitement and happiness are not the same thing. Think about it. Have you ever wanted something desperately, then you finally got it? For a few days, maybe a few weeks, you felt amazing, then suddenly it became normal. And your mind started chasing next thing. Because the problem was never the thing. The problem was believing that happiness depends on a thing. Imagine a person living in a mansion. He worries every night, feels stressed, sleeps badly, constantly compares himself with the richer people. Now, imagine another person sitting on a terrace on a cool evening, watching sunset, drinking tea, smiling, feeling grateful. Who is happier? The answer isn't determined by what they own. It's determined by how they think. Part 2. Real happiness is found in small moments. Let's talk about real happiness. Not social media happiness, not show-off happiness. Real happiness. It's walking on a terrace after a long day, feeling an evening breeze, looking at the sky and realizing life is beautiful. It's eating pani puri with your best friend and laughing over something silly. It's hearing your mother's voice when she asks, "Did you eat?" It's spending time with your family without checking your phone every 2 minutes. It's helping someone who cannot repay you. It's seeing a child smile. It's receiving a genuine thank you. It's sitting quietly with the people you love. These moments doesn't cost much, but they often mean the most. The strange thing about happiness is this. The biggest joys in the life are usually free. But the problem is not that happiness is missing. The problem is that we overlook it. We are searching for the diamonds while standing on the field full of flowers. Part 3. The danger of comparison. Now let's talk about one of the biggest happiness killers. Comparison. Social media has made comparison easier than ever. Someone buys a new car, someone goes on vacation, someone gets married, someone gets promoted. And suddenly we started feeling behind. We look at their highlight reel, then compare it to our everyday life. And that's unfair because everyone is fighting battles we cannot see. The smiling person online may be struggling with anxiety. The successful businessman may feel lonely. The celebrity may feel empty. The richer person may be stressed. Nobody's life is perfect. Nobody. The moment you stop comparing your life with others, you start appreciating your own life. You stop asking, why don't I have what they have? And start asking, what blessings do I already have? That single change can transform everything. Because gratitude and comparison cannot live in the same place. One pushes happiness away and the other invites happiness in. Part 4. A short story about happiness. Let me tell you a simple story. One day, a healthy businessman was walking on a beach. he saw a fisherman sitting peacefully under a tree. The fisherman was smiling, relaxed, enjoying life. The businessman asked, "Why aren't you fishing?" The fisherman replied, "I've already caught enough fish for today." The businessman laughed. "Why should you catch more fish?" "Why?" asked the fisherman. "So you can earn more money, and then you can buy a bigger boats, and then you can build a large business, and then you can become a rich." And then the businessman smiled and said, "Then you can relax and enjoy." The fisherman smiled back and said, "What do you think I am doing right now?" The businessman had no answer. Many of us spend years running toward a future where we hope to find a happiness or a peace, while peace may already be available today. Part 5. Life is short. Here is something we often forget. Life is short, very short. One day we were children and the next day we were adults. Years pass faster than we imagine. And if we are always waiting for a perfect moment to be happy, we may spend our entire life waiting. Do not postpone happiness. Do not save it for someday. Enjoy your morning tea. Enjoy conversation with your loved ones. Enjoy the rain. Enjoy the sunset. Enjoy simple meals. Enjoy ordinary days. Because one day you will realize those ordinary days were the actually special ones. The secret isn't having everything. The secret is appreciating what you already have. Right now, wherever you are, I want you to pause for a moment. Think about one thing you are grateful for today. Maybe it's your family, maybe it's your friend, maybe it's your health, maybe it's simply another chance to begin again. Now smile. Not because life is perfect, but because life is precious. And happiness was never hiding in the future. It was quietly waiting inside the present moment. Thank you for spending these moments with me. If this video helped you to see happiness from different perspective, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you're looking for a content that helps you to grow as a person, build confidence, find motivation and improve your English along the way, then you are in right place. This channel is a space for learning, growing and becoming a better version of yourself one step at a time. Remember, you don't need a perfect life to be happy. You don't need to have everything figured out. Enjoy little moments. Appreciate the people around you. Be grateful for today, because happiness isn't waiting somewhere in the future. It's already here in this moment. Until next time, relax. We are all figuring it out.